Gentlemen, did you know that one of the hidden causes of weight gain after 60 isn't just age? It's actually a silent combination of a slower metabolism, muscle loss, and poor blood circulation. Many men believe this belly is normal. It's just part of getting older. But science proves otherwise. Even after 60, your body still has the ability to burn fat, regain energy, and lose weight. If you give it the right tools. Today, we're going to uncover a simple, practical plan that combines low-impact aerobic workouts you can do at home with 3 powerful foods that improve circulation, fight cravings, and boost vitality. Diet and movement. The partnership. Let's clear something up. Diet and exercise work together. A man over 60 who tries to work out without adjusting his diet often gets frustrated. And someone who diets without moving loses muscle instead of fat. The key is to combine aerobic exercises with smart nutrition. This doesn't just flatten your belly. It also strengthens your legs, protects your heart, and improves balance, which lowers your risk of falls. Part 1. Aerobic exercises at home for fast weight loss. 1. Marching in place. Start with the simplest move, marching in place. Lift your knees slightly, swing your arms, and breathe deeply. Do this for 3 minutes to warm up, then add 1 minute at a faster pace. This raises your heart rate, gets your blood moving, and starts burning fat. Decide steps with arm raise. A smooth but powerful move. Step to the right, then to the left, while raising and lowering your arms. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. This strengthens hips, thighs, and abs, the areas where fat collects most after 60.3. Sit to stand from a chair. Simple, but one of the best for seniors. Sit down on a chair, cross your arms over your chest, and stand up slowly. Repeat 10 times. This boosts calorie burn, strengthens your legs, and builds real-life functional strength. For indoor walking. If you have a hallway or open space, walk briskly for 5 minutes. If possible, pump your arms like you're marching. This, combined with the other moves, gives you 15 to 20 minutes of aerobic activity, enough to kickstart daily fat burning. Part 2. 3 foods that boost circulation and help with weight loss. Now, let's talk about nutrition. Your blood needs to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles so they can burn fat effectively. Here are 3 foods most men over 60 overlook, yet they can change everything. 1. Beets. Beets are rich in natural nitrates, which open up blood vessels, improve circulation, and boost stamina. Studies show that older adults who drank beet juice walked faster and had more endurance. Tip: drink half a glass of beet juice before exercising. 2. Whole oats. Many think oats cause weight gain, but in fact, the opposite is true when eaten in the right portion. Oats release energy slowly, control blood sugar, and reduce cravings. Plus, the fiber helps lower cholesterol. Tip: a bowl of oats with berries in the morning gives steady energy and keeps you full longer. 3. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines. Omega-3 fatty acids protect the heart, fight inflammation, and help the body burn fat more efficiently. Tip: eat fish twice per week, grilled or baked. Real patient success stories. Let me share 2 real examples. Manuel, age 67, came in with knee pain, 18 extra pounds, and constant fatigue. We suggested this very plan: 20 minutes of daily aerobic exercise at home, plus beets, oats, and fish. After 8 weeks, he had lost 12 pounds, his blood pressure dropped, and he could climb stairs without stopping. Then there's George, age 62. He thought it was too late to change. He started with just 10 minutes of exercise daily and switched to oats for breakfast. 4 months later, he lost 15 pounds and said, "Doctor, I feel 10 years younger." Men, here's the truth. Age is not a sentence. Even after 60, your body can rebuild strength, burn fat, and restore confidence. With just 20 minutes of aerobic movement at home and small changes in your diet, you can lose weight, improve circulation, and feel more energetic. So don't wait for next week or next month. Start today. Stand up, march in place, and take the first step toward a stronger, lighter you. Now I want to hear from you. Which of the foods will you try first? Beets, oats, or fish? Share it in the comments. And remember, subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more science-backed tips for men over 60. Your legs carry you through life. Let's make sure they stay strong.